Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I last uploaded a video, and I want to start by saying sorry for that break. Over the past few weeks, I've been doing some serious thinking, and I also took 2 weeks off to go on holiday with my family, which gave me a much-needed reset. That time away helped me reflect on the direction of the channel, and whether I'm truly delivering what you, the viewers, find helpful and enjoyable. One thing that really stood out to me was some honest feedback I received recently. It pointed out that the videos had become too overloaded with visuals. Too many AI-generated images, cartoons, and constant visual changes, to the point where it was distracting, even frustrating to watch. And looking back, I get it. So I've decided it's time for a change. From now on, my videos will have a simpler, cleaner style. No more AI-generated images or cartoons. Far fewer stock photos and videos, only where it really adds value. Less off-topic or unrelated talk. Straight to the point without the fluff.
I'm also introducing a new narration voice, as you can hear now. Yes, it's still AI generated, but I hope it sounds far more natural and easier to listen to. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you find the new voice clearer and more enjoyable to listen to? That'll be the only AI generated part left in my videos. Everything else will stay human. The ideas, the scripting, the editing, and focused on what matters most, clear, useful content. In addition, I've created an animated intro using the existing logo to give the channel a fresh, professional start to each video. The first video in this new style is already in the works, and if all goes to plan, it'll be ready next week. Thank you so much for your patience, your support, and even your criticism. It all helps me improve. Big changes are coming, and I hope you'll stick around to see where the channel goes next. New content coming soon. Stay tuned.